Anyone who knows what the fourth dimension is, they automatically know what the fifth dimension is. Because to know what the fifth dimension is, you have to know what the fourth dimension is. But fourth dimension is not space and time. It never was space and time, and it never will be space and time. That whole idea of space and time, fourth dimension, is just a scientific methodology to help man to go to the moon.
That gives you
technology,
a chill.
But the fourth dimension is not space and time.
But you're telling me what things aren't. You're telling me what things can't be. You're telling me you can't tell me things. You just say it's the fourth dimension, it's the fourth dimension. I would tell you if I can tell you. But what can you tell me? What about the sixth dimension, seventh dimension, eighth dimension?
But I tell you.
Are they all parallels? Are they paradoxes?
The stronger
I know this. I know this for sure. I know anyone who knows what the fourth dimension is, they automatically know where extraterrestrial come from. They know all these different entities, where they come from, where they exist, how they exist, the form they take, and how they possess the human body.